You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Yes, it's often mispronounced because the spelling is confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. Many more at the end of the video. Sullivan is how it's pronounced, okay? So, yes, I know it looks like it should be said Sullivan or something, or Sullivan. It's actually more of a schwa sound, an sound, 3 times. Sullivan, a stress on the first syllable. Sullivan. Some may say it a little bit more as Sullivan, which is fine too. But essentially it's Sullivan. Sullivan. It's easy. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.